Well, we're fishing a Saturday morning tournament, and there is I'm talking to the YouTube world. We're fishing a whole Saturday morning tournament, still doing the 3 fish deal, cause well, I don't know, water temps have come down a bit, but Lord, it's supposed to be in the 90s next several days. There's a high school regional tournament on Dale Hollow today, 210 boats in it. And we've been catching our fish up shallow in the backs of creeks, but I really think that we may just let them have it.
I got a piece, so you need to go to the TV world something else.
You got a poop?
I got a piece. Video the front of the boat, not the back.
Oh, yeah, I gotta have to. Yeah, this is definitely different. I just got thumped. Didn't get it. Dadgummit. How'd he grab that? That thing got an open hook on it. On a tube. It's falling and it just went boom. And wasn't there. Did you see that? He hit that the minute it hit the water. I didn't even crank it. Huh?
Looks like a pretty good.
Yeah. Top water squarebill. Smallmouth. Should explain that one, huh? He's a good one though. Daggum. I need pliers. That's crazy. He might as well take my picture. He's picture worthy, even if we can't weigh him.
He's on up there, boy.
Huh?
He's on up there, wasn't he?
He's on the bank. He's long enough. But yeah, he 3-pounder. Feisty. Here we go. He ain't big enough though. No. But the good news is they're biting the squarebill. Little dinker. There you go. Bust him. Decent fish too, isn't it?
Oh.
Oh. That's a good fish. Huh? Oh. That dude whacked it right at. 3/4.
Keep him.
Huh? Well, maybe if we were to catch 2 more.
Yeah, the balls are down there.
I ain't gonna. Oh, where?
They're up in that bag right there to the right. Then you'll have to clip the ball to the tail like that.
What I mean, he smoked it. You throw that bigger Squarebill, don't you? You get in the bottom, huh? Oh. Get him? Yeah, buddy. Hopefully he keeps. He won't, unless he's a Kentucky, and he's not. That's okay. All right. Getting bites? Huh? You gotta wade through the good little ones to get to the good ones, right? You tell me you wouldn't be tickled to go home and catch 15 or 20 up in here, even if we didn't have a keeper. Huh? Yeah, you would. Well, I mean, obviously, we're fishing a tournament. You want to catch better fish, but beats the crap out of getting skunked, right?
As long as I can fish, I'm happy.
They're fish here. Oh no. Ernie Van Dam that one. There he is. Yeah. No, he ain't either. I think it's a smallmouth. He's a keeper though. No. I'd net him. We'll put him in the live well. I don't want to lose him. I mean, keeper's a keeper, right?
Well,
Did you say it took 6 pounds last time? Win 2nd place? And the fishing was a whole lot better than it is right now. Last weekend. I mean, you know. Only thing stinks is can't do no more smallmouth unless we catch a giant. Oh! How about that? Well,
go down there, little fella. Hey. Why don't you pull around home and stop?
yeah. Yeah. Well, tournament's over. We're still out here fishing, and I didn't figure there was any sense in taking these golly whoppers back into the weigh-in, so we're going to turn them loose. Yep. We have smallmouth have been our thing today. had the camera off and lost another one there a while ago that, well, actually Ernie lost one. It's a good one. And I lost another one trying to boat flip it into the boat. He wasn't too impressive though. He's probably the size, probably smaller than those two that I just turned loose. So. Oh, what? You like that?
I'm looking forward to my recliner, man.
Huh?
I want to do some work on the rear end.
Are you?
Yeah.
If you had one, I could see it, but you don't have one.
I'm going to put my rear end in my recliner. Yeah, I'm going to put a rear end in.
How many we end up catching today? 6, 8? Caught 6 or 8 fish today, lost at least 3. He lost a smallmouth that we actually saw that, shoot, that fish would have weighed. It was every bit of 3. He may have been a little bit better.
Frogfish was probably better than it.
Yeah, frogfish was also that good largemouth on a frog.
That's a good.
I caught a, and I lost another one. I didn't see it. Broke my daggum squarebill off.
That was a good.
It felt like a really good fish, and then it felt like it wrapped me around something.
It looked like.
I don't think I got that one on film. And I had another one. I had another smallmouth right to the boat and went to boat flip him, and off he come. Involuntary release, which it was fine. He wasn't much. Huh? No, he wasn't terrible. He probably the size of the 2 we released, or maybe just a hair smaller. And
We'd have fished that hour before from 6 to 7. We caught some fish.
I mean,
that's where it's at, man.
I don't know that we learned anything today.
I
The fish weren't completely in the backs of the creeks today. Lots of bait back there, but seemed like about, what, halfway?
Yep.
You had to get on those flat banks. Chatterbait, squarebill, majority of them on a squarebill. A couple on a chatterbait, and frog. We lost one on a frog, but they just weren't doing the top water thing today. Squarebill was definitely the most.
240 boats.
Yeah, there were 240 boats in that high school tournament. We found out after 238. So this lake's been pressured a little bit the last couple days.
Yeah, yeah.
But yeah, what?
That's most of it.
Huh?
That's most of it, I think.
And we didn't catch no great big fish today, but it was a good day all in all, I think.
It was alright.
Like I say, if we weren't fishing a tournament, we can go home mad.
I'm still good. We made our appearance and donated our money.
Huh?
We made our appearance and donated.
Yeah. If anybody doesn't know, that's what a drop-in is. Same there.
Some cashews too.
Hmm?